Now, let's take this one step further. I want you to imagine something. Imagine you're standing on top of a skyscraper, looking down. Thousands of people are walking through the streets. Business owners are opening their doors. Employees are heading to work. Entrepreneurs are pitching investors. Engineers are building new technology. Doctors are seeing patients. Teachers are educating students. Truck drivers are making deliveries. Families are buying groceries. Restaurants are serving lunch. Every one of those people has something in common. Whether they realize it or not, they're all connected to the economy. And the economy is connected to the markets. That's why I believe Wall Street isn't just about Wall Street, it's about the people. Let's break something down that I wish more people understood. People often hear the market gained 500 points or the market dropped 700 points. Immediately, they think something must be wrong or everything must be amazing. But that's not how markets work. Markets don't simply react, they anticipate. They constantly ask one question: what comes next? Businesses do the same thing. Entrepreneurs do the same thing. Successful leaders do the same thing. They're always looking forward, not backwards. That's one reason markets can sometimes seem confusing. Good news can send markets lower. Less than ideal news can sometimes send markets higher because markets are reacting to expectations, not just headlines. That's why understanding context matters. And that's exactly why Wall Street Wednesday exists. Not to tell you what to think, but to help you understand how to think about the information that you are seeing. One lesson that changed my career was realizing the market is an incredible teacher. Every day it teaches patience, discipline, humility, risk management, adaptability. Sometimes the lesson is rewarding. Sometimes the lesson is expensive. Either way, if you're paying attention, there's always something to learn. The goal isn't to know everything. The goal is to keep learning. Let's talk about business, because behind every ticker symbol, there's a company. Behind every company, there are people, founders, employees, customers, communities. Innovation doesn't happen because somebody gets lucky. It happens because someone had an idea, took a risk, solved a problem, and kept showing up. Whether it's a neighborhood coffee shop, a family-owned business, or a global technology company, every successful business begins the same way, with somebody willing to take the first step. That's why I love entrepreneurship. It represents possibility. Every Wednesday, we're going to recognize someone or something that represents what this community stands for. Today, the bull of the week is curiosity, not a company, not a stock, not a CEO, curiosity, because curiosity is where learning begins. Every successful entrepreneur, investor, business owner, and leader asked questions before they found answers. Never, ever stop asking questions. Never stop learning. Curiosity compounds just like knowledge. We're going to do the Hump Day Challenge. Now, it's time for your first Hump Day Challenge. I'm excited about this. By now, you've climbed halfway through the week. Don't coast. Keep climbing. Here's your challenge. Before Friday, learn one new financial term. Just one. Maybe it's inflation, diversification, cash flow, earnings, asset allocation, interest rates, ETF, or volatility. Don't memorize it. Understand it, because every new concept that you learn becomes another tool that you can use for the rest of your life. Remember, education compounds, one lesson leads to another. We're going to do the bullish quote of the week too. Here's this week's bullish quote. Success isn't built by predicting every move. It's built by preparing for whatever comes next. I mean, impactful. I'm going to read it again. Success isn't built by predicting every move. It's built by preparing for whatever comes next, because that applies to investing, business, leadership, and life. I'll see you in part 3.